So the first question was, what ended in 1896? And some kid said 1895. Now this one is a quadrilateral. I don't know when the last time I seen that word, man. Name the quadrilateral. Hope literally named them Bob, Sam, Tedison, Kate, and Harry. The only thing I got, it was number 1, square. Then we have a sedimentary rock. Is it bad that I don't even know what a sedimentary rock is? And just in case he got that wrong, the extra credit is, what is the strongest force on earth? This kid said love. Why would a teacher mark that wrong? Love is a strong force. Write an example of a risk. This. What kind of work? You are to assume the role of a Chinese immigrant in 1870 and write a letter home describing your experiences. Can anyone confirm what this says, and even if this is right? Because I have a tattoo and I don't even know if this is right anymore. Can y'all tell me what this says right here? What do we call the science of classifying living things? This kid said racism. Solving equation by 1 over n sin x equals question mark 1 over n. So who marked that up? I'm not understanding any of this, man. Is this for kids? Some atoms share electrons and become more stable. Describe a situation in which people share something and everyone benefits. Communism. Frankie earns money at home by, he don't earn money. He gonna let y'all know now, he does not earn money at all. I am a freeloader. My dad called me that plenty of times. Can a man still reproduce with only 1 testicle? No, girls don't find that attractive. 0.5. The teacher gave them credit. Find X. Here it is. Say and write. Cow, bird, cat, dog, foot. The difference between 180 and 158 is 22. Explain how you found your answer in problem 4. Math. I need to know if these teachers are counting this wrong. And I know I have some teachers as subscribers over here, so I need y'all to confirm, is this right? Because if that was me, I know my luck. My teacher would put a big X on it and a mad face like, where was the American Declaration of Independence sign? At the bottom. I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in pies. Tony practiced the piano 20 minutes every day. Effect, he is a big nerd. To change centimeters to meters, you take out centi. What is the highest frequency noise that a human can register? Mariah Carey with 3 hearts. The first cells were probably lonely. Unscramble the words to make a sentence about each sentence. My penis is a goat. My pen in goat, my A. My penis in a goat. Well, he is right. What are the 2 types of sex cells? Eggs and sperm. Plus 2 points for that. During what stage do the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell? It's a secret. Miranda can't see anything when she looks down her microscope. Suggest one reason why not. She is blind. Nice try. Why you put an X on that? The diagram below best illustrates. This kid marked all of them and said giraffes are heartless creatures. Draw a picture of what you will look like in 100 years. In 100 years, I will be. That's not true, man. There are people that lived up to 114, even 120, man. Come on, have some faith in yourself, Warren. Imagine that you lived at the same time as Abraham Lincoln. What would you say to him or ask him? This kid said, I'll tell him not to go to a play error. What? I'll tell him not to go to the theater. Because he got shot! I think my mom should do less of this. Drink wine, oh my God. Why are these rings on Saturn? Because God liked it, so he put a ring on it. 'Cause if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. And the teacher said Saturn was not a single lady. Guy Davy Bones. Guy Davy Bones to his dream. That kid said, F this. I'm running out of ink. The kid said the bone is right there. What is all of this? Fill in the solutions. All right, the directions are read each of the problems and come up with a solution for each one. You fell on the playground and scratched your knee. The solution, get up and deal with it. And wait. We all have been through this before where we had forged our parents' signature. But you know dang on well, that is a kid. Whose kid did that? Student survey. In a word, describe school. Hell. Name 6 animals which live specifically in the Arctic. 2 polar bears and 3 forest seals. Okay, that's first off, that's not even 6. 4 seals. 3, 4. If this is a math class, I would give him some credit on that, for real. Brian has 50 slices of cake. He eats 48. What he has now? Diabetes. Brian has f***ing diabetes. A little kid wrote his letter for his teacher after he was told she was sick. I thought it said after she told he had a ball sack. Dear Mrs. Clark, I heard you did not feel good. Well, when that happened, here's a trick to learn. Just go poop. I am not kidding. It works with me every morning. I feel bad. So just remember, when you feel bad, the first thing you do is poop. I don't feel good. I've got it. What do you like most about your teacher? Boobs? Who wrote that? What do you think is the best solution to overpopulation? The Hunger Games. I know that's right. How many days are in a week? 7. How many months are in a year? 12. Is this number even or odd? 68. Even. How do you know? Because I'm smart. Because the number is the ones place is even. Okay, no, teacher, no, he got it right. If I am late for class, I will burst into class and comment on Mr. Thomas's mustache. Mr. Thomas will blush and say thanks. Okay, you try that. So I saw this before. If anyone knows a Peter, not any other Peter, not that kind of Peter either. If anybody knows this Peter, please send him my way. I want to give him a handshake. And the teacher said very, is a teacher a doctor? What does it say? What did you learn about Earth Day that you did not already know? Oh man, do y'all remember Earth Day? The last time I remember my class celebrating Earth Day was in 5th grade, and we went out. Yeah, that's all I remember. In what situation might this new information be useful? This kid said, I did not know Earth Day was April 22nd. It might be useful in a trivia game. Now this kid's name is he put 2 + 2 = 4 and said, I can do math. Did the teacher send this to the parent? Women should periodically have a pap smear. A pap smear? What grade is this? Which letter indicates the cervix in the diagram below? Did this kid draw a leopard? Would you want to swim with the boy in the water? No, because there's trash in the water and he's chubby. Oh, that's not nice. First, I would have said no because he peed in the pool, because I do it all the time. This young boy's wish is to have 2 quarters and $3. Someone give him $3.50. This boy is ugly. Oh, what kind of, who's raising these bullies, man? Enough is enough, Judy. All right, how would you make a marriage work? Why would you be telling kids? Tell your wife she looks pretty, even if she looks like a dump truck.
Feel me? Thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs up anyway, cause you will. Thumbs up, cause you will. Thumbs up. But with that being said, thumbs up.